Hi and welcome to Asdec Labs videos. Today I'm going to show you through the navigation bar on the left hand side, which is what you see when you successfully log into the app. Libraries up the top there. These libraries are made up of documents I've selected and pushed into a library myself, documents that others have created into a library and shared with me, and me and my group, and libraries that have been mandatory pushed to each of the devices, such as the Welcome To library. These documents appear in the same folders in the same order that they do on the file servers in the back end, be that SharePoint, FileNet, Oracle, Trim, whatever. That's exactly the same as if I went through File Explorer and saw them on the desktop. Workspaces provide me with a way to organise those documents in a way that suits me. I can push them from the libraries into these workspaces, simple as holding your finger on the document, adding it to a workspace. We've also got pinning and favourites, just different options for personally organising documents on the device. If I go now to the pin board, I personally use this for short-term storage. The documents I need to read over the next few days, because when I finish reading them I can simply unpin it. Adding a document to a pin board is as simple as highlighting it, pinning it. Similarly, while I'm reading a document, I could use that drop-down options up the top there and pin that document as well. If I go to pin documents now, there are those two documents. Save searches. These are searches that I've performed previously and would like to save so that I can search for them again at any time. A nice and quick way to bring up all the documents that are on this device. Creating a new search is as simple as putting in a term. Here's the list of MDM there. If I can now save that search as MDM, it's now save search on the left hand side. And quite quickly I can get those results. Now you can see there are documents, same name, but in fact if we look at the properties for those documents, oops, wrong document. Look at the properties for those documents, we'll actually see that they've come from two separate locations. So they are in fact completely different documents. We have favourites. Favourites are, again, those that I've selected from my library. And I tend to use these for long-term use, the documents that I return to time and time again. And lastly, we have the Recents tab. The view by date, the files that I've opened today, the files that I've opened last week, 4 days ago, the new documents and modified documents, documents that have been updated on the server and synced to this device. You are now an expert in the navigation bar on the left hand side of AsdeqDocs.